Hey guys, I'm Ria. In this video, we'll be starting with the basis of web development, that is HTML. If you're new to this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now let's get started. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Please be sure that it is not a programming language. It is like the skeleton of a web page. We are using HTML5, which is the latest and the standard version. So to start off, we need an editor. So whichever operating system you are in, you can use a notepad, but it wouldn't be organized. So we'll have to download a text editor. You can use Visual Studio Code, Sublime, Atom, etc. But I'll be using Visual Studio Code here. And if you want help with downloading it, please go check out the description where I've given the link to download. Here in Visual Studio Code, first we'll have to install some extensions. So go to the extension bar and install majorly 5 extensions which you have to use in this tutorial. The first one is HTML5, then HTML5, then CSS, auto close tag, bracket pair colorizer, and the most important one, live server, the second one. Now the reason why you have installed live server is to see whatever code you give here, the changes in your web page. So just have to right click and click on open with live server. So you can see the changes in here. Or you can use a shortcut Alt LO.